Hi everyone. My tech tool is called Time Glider, and it is an interactive timeline that allows you to add pictures, videos, links, and audio. It also gives you options as to your relevance of your dates, and you can make them bigger based on importance. So this is the home page for Time Glider. And the really cool thing about Time Glider is that if you go down, it gives you some examples of prior timelines. This one's really cool, CIA leak case. You can click on pictures, gives you biographies. You can also click on certain dates. Descriptions will pop up. Some of them have video. It's really cool. Okay, so if you go back to the home page and you go down to the bottom, one other thing I want to show you is this New York Times data. They actually have partnered with New York Times, and you can access a New York Times timeline that gives you articles going back to 1851. It's pretty awesome. They also have a variety of plans that you can view right here at the bottom. Of course, the very good stuff costs money, but for a free account, it does give you what you need. And one more thing I want to point out is right here at the bottom. If you have a financial hardship, let us know and we'll take it into consideration. And that is awesome. Okay, so if you go to your Time Glider, you make a new timeline, give it a title. We'll do example. You can give it a description. Focus date is your start date, so we'll put it back a few weeks. Go to September 5th, and you can also pick time down to the minute. Zoom level, we'll keep it at 4 months. Size events by importance, and we'll click save. Create an event. Okay, we can name this example. You can put description, images, links. You can do YouTube links, other video links, and tags, which is for a higher level account, but it's still pretty cool for the people that actually do pay for and use this. You can drag along the timeline, and as you saw in the example, everything will pop up. I find that this tool can be used in a variety of subject areas. I am a language arts teacher, and I know that I could use this for various different things, from a novel study and tracking the events for a literary time period such as Romanticism, marking down when important authors were born, when they died, and the important stories that they've written when they were published. I know that this is a great tool for social studies. We all know that social studies has a lot of dates. They can be really hard to remember. And I know that when something is fun and interactive, it becomes easier for us to learn. When you go click on example, you can edit, you can snapshot, and you can publish. And they will give you your own URL if you want to publish, and this can be shared with family and friends. I hope you enjoyed this tool, and I hope that you can find a way to use this in your future studies or